Here's how to use saved audio in your Instagram notes. Now, if you're on Instagram and you wanted to publish a note, but you wanted to use a song or audio that you previously saved, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the Instagram app here, and let's just tap on Reels at the bottom right. Now, the first thing you need to do is navigate to basically a song or audio that you wanted to save. So let's say Michael Bublé, Love here at the very bottom left. I can tap on the little song icon. And if I wanted to save this, all I need to do is hit that little bookmark icon at the very top right. You'll see now it basically changes to black, indicating this song is bookmarked or saved. Now let's go back here and go home, and then we'll tap on the messages at the top right. You'll be able to add your note by just tapping on your note at the top left here. And let's just say trick or treat because today is Halloween, and we can tap on the little music icon. Now you'll see at the very top is saved. I can tap on that. And there is that Love by Michael Bublé. I can tap on it, and you can choose which part of the song that you wanted to start with. It'll kind of highlight in the yellow and basically the different colors there. You can see right as I get to where the suggested points are, it will be highlighted, and I can just hit done. And just like that, it has that song that's associated with this specific note. Just tap on the share button at the top right, and then you will have used that saved audio. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.